Hey you guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. Thank you for tuning in. I'm back. It seems like forever. I think it's been a week and like 2 days or some, I don't know, but it's been forever. I'm going to be installing this wig in this video today, and I'm going to give you guys a life update and tell you guys what's been happening with me, why I've been depressed. So yeah. Okay, so first I'm gonna tell you a little bit about the wig. This wig is deep wave, curly, water wave, whatever you want to call it. It is 18 inches, and it is 13 by 4, 150% density. And that's it. That's what we're gonna be installing, and I'm gonna tell you how I felt about it at the end. Okay, girls, so let's get into the tea. Where do I start? I have been going through it. I have been depressed. I have been wanting to give up. So you guys know I am a CNA, certified nurse assistant. And I'll be honest with you, I'm not really happy as a CNA. I do want to further my career, so that's why I've been trying to get into nursing school. Now, I wasn't sure about nursing school. For a long time, I've wanted to be a nurse, but things changed. Yeah, things started to change, and I wasn't sure if that is what I wanted. So I was trying to do phlebotomy. So I went to the school. I was excited because, the school I'm trying to get into, they're real cheap, real affordable, not real cheap, but their prices are affordable for college and stuff like that. So I went to them, blah, blah, blah. And, I emailed the lady, long story short, and she's like, oh, the phlebotomy class is not open until 2021, all the way in winter. So I was like, what? And I was just like, that is a long ass time. And it's just like, I don't make it seem like that, but I am not really happy. Like I said before in one of my other videos, YouTube makes me happy. But YouTube is not all I want to do. I want to succeed in YouTube, of course, but I also want, a good career. And it was just, things weren't looking up. You know what I'm saying? I tried looking for other schools for phlebotomy. Everybody wanted, basically a lot of schools wanted to charge an arm and a leg for phlebotomy. It's ridiculous. And the schools that probably don't charge an arm and a leg are too far away from me, and I'm just not. So I decided, you know what, I would just go school for nursing. So now I'm trying to get in a nursing program. If you guys know, if any of you guys are watching, trying to get in a nursing program, you guys know you have to take the ATIT test to get into nursing. You have to pass that test to get into nursing. And that's what I'm studying for. And what we need to study is so overwhelming and so stressful. And I will be taking that test July 23rd. And honestly, if I do not pass, which I hope I do, I'm not trying to doubt myself. The only thing I can do is study more and take it again, even though the test is $100. But I really just want to pass on the first try. I want this bad. I just want to get out of CNA. I want to start my life. I want to start living. And I just feel like it's not going well. I'm trying to study my ass off. That's where I have been for the whole week. I've been trying to study and trying to absorb as much information as I can. And it's like, I feel like I'm going so slow because it's like the science portion. Every time I look at the science portion, I'm like, God, I still have all this that I have not covered. And I honestly just don't know what to do but try, and I'm trying. And then there's YouTube, and I know some of you guys might say, oh well, YouTube is not important. It honestly is important for me because YouTube is something I'm trying to make into a career. I love to be consistent, and that's one of the compliments I get, that I'm consistent with YouTube. I really want it, which I do. But due to studying and trying to get into this nursing program, I am not going to be so consistent. I am not stopping YouTube. I will record when I can, but I need you guys to understand how important this is to me to get into nursing school. And I need most of my attention on this. I will still be posting. It will probably be once a week. I try to do 2 times or 3 times a week, but it'll probably be once a week now because I have to study. I'm not going to lie, I constantly feel like I'm wasting time. Like today, I felt like I waste time, even though I really do study my ass off. Like I try to learn everything, and I just hope it pays off. And I hope you guys pray for me because I really do want this. I really do. And I just don't know what to say. I just really want this, and I just hope it happens for me. So yeah, guys, that's what's been going on. I felt like I really did have to tell you guys because you guys need to know why I am going to be disappearing sometimes. I don't think it would be for like, oh, I don't think I'll ever disappear for a month. And if I do, I'll definitely let you guys know. But I have to tell you guys that, there is gonna be a new schedule change. And this is what's happening in my life. And I'm not perfect. I'm breaking down, girl. So if there's anybody in school or going to school or, just let me know. Give me words of encouragement and tell me your experience or what you're going through and stuff like that. So I'm going to shut up and let you guys watch the rest of the video. And I hope to see you guys soon in another video. Love you. Okay guys, so this is the finished look. Please don't look at my titties. They look weird because waist trainers push your titties up. But I just want to sit back here so you guys can really see me. Like, hair is so soft And I love how it curls, like when you put that mousse water gel, whatever you put into it. Like, baby, this is a real cute style. I saw Chelsea Janaya have it, one of my favorite YouTubers, and I had to recreate because she was looking bomb. So yes, the link will be down below. Doing this tutorial really just like put me in like a great mood, because it's just like I've been super depressed, as I told you guys, and you guys just pray for me. That's all. Just pray for me. I love you guys. Thank you for watching. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and hopefully I'll see you in the next video.